So Thursday evening, we got the camper set up. What we need to do, there is Wi-Fi at this campground, but you can barely watch a TV show, let alone upload footage. So this came in the mail just before I left, which was the idea. I was waiting for it. So we got Starlink. So this summer and whenever I go on any kind of road trip, whether it be car shows or to pick up cars, like next week, I'm taking the truck and camper and trailer and heading to trail to pick up a truck for a customer that we did a bunch of work on and his truck before, and he's now decided to move to Australia, so he wants to finish some stuff that he never finished before and button up everything before he sends it overseas. So he's still in Australia till July, so I'm gonna pick it up for him, bring it to the shop. Something we do quite often actually is for the cost of fuel. If it's really far away, cost of fuel and hotel usually, and we'll do the transport. But anyway, I'm going to do that, but I'm going to take my time and probably do it over a couple of days, and I'm going to drive a circle through to from Chilliwack up and around. Probably go in the back way, like further way, and come back through Osoyoos, or I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out. But anyway, so I'm going to be doing that next week as well. So that's why the camper's staying on the truck, and the truck and camper coming home with me on Tuesday here. But anyway, let's unbox Starlink. I have not done really any research on this. Mark has one at the shop. Jim has one. It's pretty common people to have these if you're into doing any kind of outdoor activities, and let alone have a YouTube channel, as we do. So, there's another lady that works out of her camper here, actually right behind me, has a yearly spot, and they have Starlink as well because she can't do her work from the camper without it. The campsite Wi-Fi just isn't good, especially if the weather's not great. Then everybody's in their RVs using the internet. So anyway, pretty cool packaging. They got instructions on the inside of the box instead of wasting paper. As far as I can tell, that would be the reason anyway. Setup QR code. I already have an account, of course, to order it and buy it. So I should be able to fairly easily get this going, I would assume. So here's a whole mount. I did buy a suction cup mount that's in this cardboard box back here. So that's probably what we'll be using. I've also ordered and have a USB-C cord because I'll also be needing this on the boat this year. So, yeah, not sure if this is needed yet. We will see. So number one, plug it in. Number two, app. And maybe that's what that's some kind of a code or something, because it's showing this circle-y thing on here with the app. So maybe you scan that and that gets you, maybe that's the serial number or something. Then here's the power cord. So here I can use this 110 cord. I guess the camper has power at the campground, so there's no need to use the USB-C tonight, but kind of neat how they did this. It's the same connector on each end, and then the power adapter. The power adapter just plugs into one end or the other as well. So yeah, so regulatory notices. So I don't think that's really instructions. Yeah, so I guess for now I can just clip this on as a leg. Or is that what that's all about? That is the stand there. Okay. So basically, need to plug this in. Oh, that's a sealed plug, so that's nice. Run this outside. Might just climb the ladder and put it on the roof of the camper here actually, and then we'll put some power to it. So. Of course. Can't just undo, can they? So I want to get it set up first, and then once I'm kind of done using it tonight, maybe tomorrow morning, after I watch some YouTube or whatever I do in the morning, I won't be able to do first bite fishing because we have to use the tractor at the campground here to put the boat in the water because it's a really steep boat launch, and obviously I have the truck and camper set up. So yeah, so they won't do that until about 9 o'clock, I believe, because it's a tractor, it's noisy. So won't be doing first bite fishing tomorrow. Okay, so we have that on the roof now. Power adapter. No, I think limited to. Okay, so we've got power. Let's open up the app. Starlink. Wow, connected to Bonanza. So it's doing stuff anyway. It's says it's doing a software update. It says it's talking to satellites to determine which way it's pointing. I just put it on the roof and pointed it towards open sky between all the trees. It's saying software update. So I don't know if it's using the Bonanza Resort Wi-Fi to do any of that right now, but yeah, because it says network router unreachable. So it's doing its thing. So, well, I'm not going to bore you with this. If I get anywhere here, I will turn this back on. Okay, well, I set up a username and password. It's saying I'm online. So it was just finished up doing a software update. It says it's applying, and it says we're online. So it says, okay, I'll install it now. So it's about to reboot and install that. I have my iPad connected to the campground, so we'll see how well it's working. Let's check out Roman Atwood's vlog today. There's not many people at the campground. It's the beginning of the season, so it might work well.
What are you guys doing?
So, yeah. We will see how it all works. So far, relatively painless. I threw it on the roof, I plugged it in, and did that. Oh.
Dang, is that a cupcake or is that a mud cake? A mud cake.
Did its reset, and then it said not reachable. It's connected to Bonanza again right now. Let's just give it a minute to see what it does. Pretty neat though. Like right now, it's showing that I'm on Bonanza, and it's showing that there's 39 devices connected to it. Oh wow, and I could even, really weird, I can see iPhone, Intel Corporate, iPhone, unnamed, Roku, iPhone, all this stuff I can see. Weird how I can see so much. I can pause the person's. So I'm wondering, super weird. It's letting me look at everybody's iPad. Super weird that it lets me showing me all of Bonanza's stuff. Let's see if it'll let me go to Driven by Stones TV satellite, and we'll go from there. So yeah, anyway, kind of boring right now, just getting this all set up. So that might be it for today, Thursday. I think we were the 15th, and we got ourselves to 100 mile. Tomorrow we'll get the suction cup mount and everything set up for this thing, and and get the boat on the water and start doing some stuff. So for now I'm going to catch up on some YouTube, and that's pretty much about it. So we'll see you tomorrow.